is Cherry Mark. Thanks for joining me, and thank you so much for choosing this channel. Now yeah, today we are going to learn something else, and we are going to learn about types of houses in Kenya and how we call them in Kikuyu. The first type of house we're going to learn is a stone house. How do we call, excuse me, a stone house is called Nyumba ya Mahiga. Only okay, one minute please. Nyumba is a house, so just know Nyumba is a house. So a stone house will be called Nyumba ya Mahiga. Nyumba, house. Ya is like 4. Mahiga, stone. Nyumba ya Mahiga, that's how we call a stone house. Now, the next type of house is iron sheet house. We have these houses basically or very often in Kenya, or even I don't know about other parts of Africa, but in Kenya. And how do we call an iron sheet house in Kikuyu? Nyumba, we have already said Nyumba is house. Nyumba ya Mabati. Nyumba ya Mabati. Mabati are iron sheet. Mabati are iron sheet. Nyumba ya Mabati. Nyumba ya Mabati. The next type of house we're going to learn is a wooden house. How do we call that? A wooden house is called Nyumba ya Bao. Nyumba ya Bao. Nyumba, house. Ya, 4. Bao, wood. Bao is wood. Wood is called bao. So a wooden house, Nyumba ya Bao. Nyumba ya Bao. Now the next type of house, a mud house. We used to have this type of houses back in the days. I don't know if they still exist. I think yes, but not as common. So they are made out of mud. How do we call them in Kikuyu? Nyumba ya NDORO. Nyumba ya NDORO. Nyumba, house. Ya, 4. NDORO, mud. Simple. Nyumba ya NDORO. Nyumba ya NDORO. Nyumba ya NDORO. A mud house. Now, the last kind of house today is a grass house, or a house made of grass. We used also to have this kind of houses back in the days, and I think they are still there. Not really grass, like we have them, but not the traditional one, other than the modern type, which they use, I think, bamboo grass or something. And we have this kind of houses in the coast of Kenya, in the coastal region of Kenya, known as makuti houses. But I'm not speaking about makuti houses. I'm going to speak about grass houses, or a house made of grass. How do we call that in Kikuyu? Nyumba ya nyeki. Nyumba ya nyeki. Nyumba is a house. Ya, 4. Nyeki, grass. Nyumba ya nyeki. Nyumba ya nyeki. A house made of grass. Ladies and gentlemen, that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for taking your time, for listening, and even for being part of this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and also to share this content to your lovely ones. Until next time, take good care of yourselves and stay safe. Goodbye.